Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to delete cookies in Google Chrome, whether you're using your phone or your computer. Deleting cookies can help fix website loading issues, improve privacy, and keep your browser running smoothly. So, let's get right into it. Let's start with desktop. Open your Google Chrome browser and click the three dots at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. On the left side of your screen, click Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. A small window will appear here. You'll see options like Browsing History, Cookies, and Cached Images. Now, click on the Time Range box and select how far back you want to delete. If you want to remove everything, select All Time. Make sure the box next to Cookies and other site data is checked. Once you're done, click Clear Data, and Chrome will remove all cookies from your browser. Now, let's do it on mobile. Open the Chrome app on your phone and tap the three dots at the top right corner. Next, tap History, then choose Clear Browsing Data. You'll now see similar options. Tap the Time Range drop-down and select how far back you want to clear cookies, like the last hour or all time. Make sure Cookies and Site Data is selected. After that, tap Clear Data at the bottom and confirm if needed. That's it. Your cookies have been deleted successfully. Deleting cookies can help when a website isn't loading correctly or when you want to protect your privacy from stored trackers. Just remember that clearing cookies will sign you out of some sites, so you might need to log back in. And that's all for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Chrome tips and tricks.